Step 7. After you've stitched this collar seam, you are going to grade that seam allowance, which we did all this in step 6. And step 7 is simply just turning this neck seam and the center front seam right side out. Take it over to the iron, press it. So you're pressing the seam, and you want to make sure and check that you don't have any tucks, which are those little folds. If you do find one, you can just seam rip a small section wherever the fold is, take it out, and then you would just back stitch over the top of your previous stitching and at the end of your stitching. So fix any tucks, and then you're pressing this all neatly, the seam here, and then you are going to add an edge stitching. So I'll zoom in here where you can see my edge stitching, which goes along the entire neck edge, and then you pivot and turn down the center front edge. And that is step 7. So you're going to continue that stitching all the way down to this raw edge that we will hem in a few steps.